Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you something mind-blowing, the newest AI video generator by Google in 2025, Google Veo 3. This platform can create realistic videos, add sound effects, and even voiceovers, all from a simple prompt. Let's dive right in. Before we start learning, let's watch a few clips that were generated using Google Veo 3. These examples will give you a quick idea of what this powerful AI tool can do. Alright, now let me show you how to access Google Veo 3. Step 1. Go to google.com. Step 2. Search for Google Veo 3. Step 3. Click the first result. Step 4. You'll see two options, Try in Gemini and Try in Flow. If you're a beginner, start with Try in Gemini for a more guided experience. If you're advanced, choose Try in Flow for more control. Google Veo 3 is a subscription-based tool, but all users get a 1-month free trial. If you're a student in a supported country, you can get a 15-month free plan. After that, normal charges apply. You need to submit your card details to continue the process. Now I'll show you how to generate videos using the Gemini interface. Type your idea in natural language. I'll now show you an example. Just type your idea directly into Gemini. It's that simple. If you already use ChatGPT, you can even ask it to help you craft a creative prompt. Once your prompt is ready, Gemini will start generating the video. It usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes to complete the process, depending on your prompt. And now, my video is ready. Let's watch the result. You can preview, download, or edit your prompt to make changes. Super simple. If you prefer more control, use the Flow interface. Here's how. Click Try in Flow. Then click Create with Flow. It may take a few minutes to load this platform. Once it's fully loaded, you'll be able to see all your previous projects right on the dashboard. Then click New Project to start creating your video. You'll see 3 options for video generation. Text to video, simply enter a prompt describing your idea. Frames to video, upload a sequence of images and turn them into a video. Ingredients to video, combine elements like voiceovers, visuals, and effects. This option is available only for AI Ultra users. Now I'll show you how to use the first option, text to video. Select it, then type your prompt, a clear description of what you want the video to show. Now, we need to adjust the settings based on your project requirements. First, choose how many videos you want to generate, anywhere from 1 to 4 outputs, depending on how many variations you want. Next, select the model for video generation. There are 4 model options, each designed for different purposes. If you choose Veo Too Fast, it will not include sound in the output. If you need videos with sound effects or voiceovers, make sure to select Model 2 or Model 4 instead. Choose the option that best fits your creative needs. After you submit the prompt, it will take around 3 to 5 minutes to generate the video. To save your time, I'll skip the loading process and jump straight to the results. Now, I'll enable full screen so you can clearly see the video quality. Listen closely. Veo 3 has added the sound of the dragon, just like we described. The output has a cinematic, film-like style, exactly matching the prompt we gave. Now let's look at the second option, frames to video. There are a few different ways to create your frames. First, you can generate AI images using Flow and use them directly as video frames. Second, you can upload your own images into the frame sequence. Third, you can add a video you recently created, even one generated just a few minutes ago, and then submit a new prompt to continue the story into the next frame. You can see that the next frame is now generating based on our new prompt, while the previous video is already set as the first frame. It will take a few minutes to generate the new scene and seamlessly merge it with the rest of the video. As you can see, the output results are highly consistent. Each clip transitions smoothly, and the final video feels seamless and cohesive. It's hard to tell where one part ends and the next begins. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. In the next video, I'll show you how to earn money using AI and how you can develop your skills to take advantage of these amazing tools. So make sure to stay tuned. If you liked this video, click the like button. If you didn't, feel free to click unlike. I respect your feedback. And if you think there are areas I can improve, drop a comment below. Your input helps me make better content for you. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.